You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 142/3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 142/5 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 142/3.